Hello and welcome back to Stay Natural DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this hot pressed coconut oil. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. So to get started with this hot pressed coconut oil, I'm going to use 2 pieces of coconut. And the first thing I do is to break with a knife. I break the shell and bring out the meat from the shell as I have it in the bowl. So with my knife, I'm going to cut it in cubes or in pieces as you desire. So I'm going to cut it and make sure I cut it into small chunks that I can blend. And also remember, if you don't have a blender, if you have hand blender, you can use your hand blender for this tutorial, or you grate it as well. Grating will also give the same result. So at this point, I'm putting it in my blender after washing it. Then I'm going to blend it for some minutes. Make sure you add water that will cover the coconut itself. Then blend it into a fine paste, as I'm doing at this point. So at this point, it's completely blended into fine paste. So I'm with a cheesecloth, I'm going to strain it. You can also use your strainer for this if you don't have a cheesecloth. Then make sure I squeeze out the milk from it. So I'll carefully squeeze it out to make sure there's no milk left. So remember, with this hot press process, I'm not using my fridge. So I'm not using fridge for this particular recipe. Rather, I'll keep it to ferment overnight, just in a warm place in the house. I'll just leave it to ferment. So after squeezing out the milk from those coconuts, I'm going to use a cling film. You can use any plastic bag of choice if you don't have this available, just to cover it. So I'm using a cling film. I'll cover it to wrap the milk in a bowl. Then with my scissors, I'm going to cut out the film from it. So here is the chaff I made from it. You can use this to do something else. Use it for bread, whatever thing you feel pleased, you know how to use with it. So here is what it looks like. So after 24 hours, this is what my coconut milk looks like. It has fermented. So at this point, removing the film that I use in covering it. Then I'm going to, with my spoon, I'm going to take the top layer to a different bowl. So remember, this was kept overnight. It wasn't kept in the fridge, so the upper layer is still soft. So you have to be careful bringing it out. After gently removing the top layer and putting it in a pot or in a pan of choice that you use in frying it. So here is what I'm doing. Carefully taking the top layer, and this is what I got. So over a low heat, I'll place my pan on the heat. So at this point, I noticed that the pan I used was very small. Then I had to pour it in a bigger pot. So this is what it looks like. Then remember, on a low heat. Make sure you reduce your gas. So here's what it looks like. I'll keep frying. At this point, it's ready. I've fried it to the point I want it. Then with a strainer, I'm going to strain it to make sure the particles is not part of the oil. So guys, at this point, my hot pressed coconut oil is ready. So I'm going to press it more. So here is what we got from those coconuts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share my videos. Use the comment section and don't forget to share to those you think that will be interested in this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.